Welcome to your first day as a new employee of Hobag Industries. I'm sure you have as many questions about us as we have doubts about you. So let's dive right into day one of your onboarding process. There will be a test at the end of each section. Just remember, there are no wrong answers, only ex-employees, so don't worry, you'll do fine. Let me tell you who we are. Hobag Industries was founded in 1985 and we've had many name changes. We started out as Backwash Records, with such infamous bands as Satan Stormtroopers, The Smut Lords and Love Sucks. Then we added Petable Publishing in 1992, and in 1995, Dark Star Incorporated, specializing in fat girl adult websites. In 2008 we launched our biggest train wreck ever, the Adventures with Jim franchise. Today Hobag Industries is growing faster than ever. We have our fingers in everyone's pie, including aerospace, engineering, computer science, human sacrifice, metallurgy, advanced weapon design, and many more exciting new fields. And now I'd like to introduce our founder and CEO who has a special message for you.
Hello, my name is Jim, and I am the CEO of Hobag Industries. But you should call me Master from now on. Wow. Look at you. When HR told me it was tough to get anyone to work these days, they weren't kidding. It looks like they really hit rock bottom when they hired you. No matter, you can't escape now, so get back to work.